Look how much you've accomplished. From simple say blocks to complete programs, you're ready for Python. Time to celebrate everything we've mastered. We'll review all our essential Scratch concepts, see how they follow a building blocks pattern, and get super excited for next week's Python adventure. Here's our amazing text-based programming toolkit. Say blocks give us output to communicate with users. Ask and wait gets input from people. Variables store important information for later. Conditions help our programs make smart choices. And loops let us repeat actions efficiently. These 5 concepts are the foundation of all programming. In general, we always start with when green flag clicked. Then we initialize our variables with starting values. Next, we get input from users with ask and wait. Then we process that information using conditions or loops. Finally, we show our results with say blocks. This pattern works for almost every program. What an incredible first week! 5 essential concepts: output, input, variables, conditions, and loops form the foundation of all programming. The building blocks pattern helps organize any program structure. Most importantly, text-based programming like Python follows these same logical patterns we've practiced. You're completely ready to transition from Scratch to Python.